back to my channel, and today I have something very special. But first, I want to introduce you, and first I'm going to introduce you to 3 special guests, my siblings. And, hey, what's your name?
Pika.
No, your real name.
Pikachu.
No, so that's Angela. What's your name?
No, I'm Pikachu. Sarah.
What's your name?
Hasek.
And we have a package today, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we open it?
I'm going to open it. So,
Well, can we help you open it?
hold on. So, guys, I'm going to put the phone right here. Here's the package. Okay, guys, here's the package. Guys. No. Guys, I'm going to open it. Okay, guys. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. Let's move that package. Okay, guys. So, here's the very special thing. Guys, let me tell them how much this cost. This cost like almost $300. It was $200 something. So, this is really amazing. So, I'm going to get up. I'm going to put the camera phone. Because it's a phone. Move that. Kind of. Let me get it. It's very nicely detailed. The tongue is posable. Okay, guys, hold on. I need to do something real quick.